Factor the expression below completely. Which of the following is not one of the factors? So what first jumps out at me with this expression is that there's an x in both terms. So I'm going to factor out an x as the greatest common factor, and I'm left with x squared minus 49. And then I should recognize x squared minus 49 as the difference of two squares, right? Remember that when you're factoring x squared minus a squared, the difference between two squares, that factors to x plus a, x minus a. So x squared minus 49, that's x squared minus 7 squared. So we can factor that to x plus 7, x minus 7. Okay, so my three factors are x plus 7, and x minus 7. So x squared plus 7 is not one of my factors.